Here at Swimmin' Fun, we are a family-owned and operated pool maintenance and repair company that has over 25 years of professional experience. We have an experienced team of technicians who have the tools and knowledge to handle any project you throw our way. From weekly pool maintenance, expert pool repair, drain, and cleaning services, there is no job that is too big or small for us, and we promise to get the job done in a quick and timely manner. So the next time your pool is in need of a little bit of maintenance or repair, give us here at Swimmin' Fun a call and leave the rest to us. Swimmin' Fun, keeping your pool crystal clear all year long.